She's growing out the scalp, friends. She's growing out the scalp. You absolutely cannot tell me that this is not my hair.
Okay, so we got this 24-inch Yaki straight ombre wig from Amazon, and let me tell you, she's a thickiana. All right, so here you go. You see this ombre, and it's not a brassy ombre either. It's very much a cool tone, and it's everything for you. So all you got to do is slap her on, do a little bit of straightening or curling or however it is you want to wear it, and you're good. So I'm going to go in with my flat iron, my favorite flat iron from Amazon, or you can find it at Sally's. I will have a link down below in the description box for you. And I'm just going to go through it with on the highest degree. Let me put some heat on this. And I am going to flat iron this wig until she is bone silky straight. And you know I have to go in with my hot comb to make sure that hair on that lace is laying down as flat as possible. I'm not one of those girls that use the mousse on the lace or the top of the hair to make it go flat. Baby, my hot comb could do that. Okay, so we're going to do it that way. And after I press out those roots, I'm going to hit it with the flat iron. You see it, okay? So this is the natural hair. And I'm going to go ahead and put a stocking cap on. We're not going to do the melting the ball cap method. No, we're not. I'm not about to stress out my edges for y'all. Okay, I love y'all, but no. I'm going to put this wig on, and we're just going to go ahead and glue her down. Straight out the pack. Look at the lace. It's looking good. It's looking a bit ashy, but we're going to fix that. We are going to fix that. I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm going to put that all over my lace wherever it is that it is ashy, okay? And we're going to make sure that blends into our skin. And like you see right here, she is blending. She's looking good. She's looking fabulous, okay? And I'm going to remove that tape because I don't like using tape. I'm just letting y'all know. I just don't do it. Anyway, let's get a close-up. Oh, close-up. You look at it. It's looking like some skin. Okay. Anyway, showing you what she looks like. Okay. She looking good. She looking good. So let's adhere her. Now, you can wear this glueless. You don't have to use glue or any type of spray adhesive. No, nothing. Sir, can you sit down? Girl, I got me a 2-year-old toddler, and he's climbing on everything. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to use my Red by Kiss spray in the pink can. I'm going to spray it down, let it get tacky while blow drying it on cool. Lay the lace down, blow dry it until it's fully dry. Anywho, I love me a Yaki straight texture because you don't need a super thick wig to make it look thick. Now, the density on this is perfect. This is about a $200 wig, you guys. Like, I'm a 24-incher, so that's the longest length that Amazon carries in this, sir, in this specific unit, okay? And look at her. She's just looking so good. And I haven't even melted her yet. Yes. Okay. So we're going to do the little melt. But anyway, like I said, you don't need a super thick wig. The 180 density will do it for you. So I'm going to use a bit of Got To Be. I'm going to spray it on my hands, place it on the lace, and push it in there. And then after I do that, I am going to let it melt and dry for about 20 minutes. While the lace is marinated, I'm going to get the rest of the hair in order. So I'm going to brush it, comb it in place, and I'm going to take a little bit of that Got To Be, spray it on my hand, and just make sure that the flyaways on top of my head are laying down. Once that's happened, we are going to take that band off, and baby, we are melting. Okay, you see that hairline? That hairline looks good. That hairline looks good. I'm going to add a little bit more makeup. Don't go too heavy on the makeup because if you do, you're going to be able to clock it. Look how good that looks, okay? No baby hair. I decided that I wasn't going to do baby hair.
You absolutely cannot tell me that this is not my hair. This looks exactly like my hair. Well, not the colored ends. She's growing out the scalp, friends. She's growing out the scalp. Loving this. I'm loving that they have this in a actual frontal. I tried this in a large closure and I wanted it in a frontal and they did it. Now all I need them to do is make longer lengths than 24-inch for Amazon. I use this to adhere her and she looks amazing.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will leave everything that I used in this video in the description box for you guys. And yes, I do resell, so make sure you follow my TikTok and my Facebook, which is also in the description for you guys. And until next time, bye best friends.